What's up, guys, and a very good morning from Ooty. Today is day 2, and we're heading out towards a place called Emerald Lake and Avalanche. So there are two different places very close by, and we probably need to take some permission to visit Emerald Lake. So we'll check it out once we get there. Let's see what the process is about. My KTM, my Firefly is getting warmed up. It's all ready and kind of dirty as well. And yesterday night we couldn't do much, as you guys saw. We just went to Ooty Lake, and as soon as we started moving from there, it started raining, so I couldn't vlog anything much. Post that, we just came back to the hotel, and we went out for dinner in a place called Angara restaurant. There was quite a bit of a wait. We had to wait for almost like 1 hour, and post waiting that much, the food wasn't that great, so it wasn't really satisfying. Nevertheless, that was what happened yesterday post the Ooty Lake thing. So yeah, now we're heading out towards Kunnur probably. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do Kunnur because it's two different locations. So we'll head towards Emerald Lake and Avalanche. There's a dam as well. So we'll just visit that, and I'll keep you guys posted on the next of it. See you on the road.
Wonderful. Yeah. So this route that we are going on today towards Emerald Lake seems to be the less traveled one amongst the travelers, as they go to the usual spots and not many people come towards this side, so we can see very less traffic, and that's a boon for us today. So we can enjoy our rides at a slow steady pace and live in the nature's beauty with us. And yeah, we really have to thank Google Maps for helping us out all the way, man. Without that, it would be like so damn difficult to hover around any new town or city. You see a beautiful lake down there. We just stopped to take a couple of photographs. And it's so serene and calm around here. This is the one. It's closed. Cannot go to the dam as such. No, there is a road there, but this definitely is the dam. This is the Emerald Dam. Yeah, let us go a little further and see. This is Pakat here. Let us just have a look first before going now. This is the beautiful Emerald Lake. We need to find a way to get down there, man. Oh, beautiful, man. Just so serene. Yeah. Oh, there are actually cars on that side of the dam. See? How did they get there? There is a road that goes down there, but it's very steep.
We are here, Sikkim this way. There's one more road.
Where?
We took the route through post office.
So guys, so we finally made it to this place called Emerald Lake, and it's a beautiful view up from here. If you guys are able to see, my helmet is put somewhere on top of that. There's a beautiful, beautiful view that I'm going to show you just in a bit. And this is where I've parked my Firefly. And now I'll just show you a 360-degree view of the place that we are standing right now. And that's Spiti. Would you like to come on the vlog? And that's the dam. You're still not seen. You're still not seen. What's up?
Hey.
How's the place? Amazing.
So pleasing. Weather is awesome and just loving it.
Yeah, it is wonderful. The breeze is really cool, and though it looks quite sunny, it is not as hot. Yeah, that is the Emerald Dam behind me. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a way to get there, so we just head towards another place called Avalanche. So I think we should be able to go closer to the lake. I'll just show you the view. So this is the location that we got our bikes from. The trail that you see there. My Firefly is parked right here. Beautiful, beautiful mountains and hillocks. And wonder what the structure was. Anyways, I'll just use that to keep my helmet if you guys are able to see somewhere about there. Yes. All of these are tea estates. Nice, amazing pine trees. Dominar. That's the beautiful, beautiful lake. Look at the watercolor. You can see the entire mountain ranges. This is the Emerald Dam. Vikram, let's go, they'll come.